There's a place here in Praiano that, for us locals, is much more than just a beach. It's Marina di Praia, a small cove hidden between the rocks, where the sun arrives gently and the sea changes color throughout the day. I grew up coming here in the summer, and I still come back today, because here, time simply slows down. At Marina di Praia, you can really do it all. Relax with a drink at a seaside bar, enjoy fresh seafood in small, authentic restaurants, go diving to discover beautiful underwater spots, or head out by boat to explore the coast from its most stunning point of view, the sea. This is also where our boat tours depart with Amalfi Coast Lovers. Genuine experiences, no rush, just the Amalfi Coast as we locals live it, towards Positano, Amalfi and Capri. If you want to experience the real Marina di Praia, you don't just visit it. You live it. Discover more at amalficoastlovers.com.